Do you find yourself starting fitness goals every January, only to give up by February? Are you tired of feeling inconsistent or overwhelmed when it comes to staying active and healthy? If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Many of us struggle to find simple, sustainable habits that actually fit into our lives. But what if I told you that 2025 could be different? We put so much pressure on ourselves to make huge changes right away. But the secret is, those big changes come from teeny tiny steps you take every single day. That's why I'm sharing 10 simple fitness habits that are easy to start and even easier to stick with. Whether you're just beginning your fitness journey or looking for ways to stay consistent, these tips are for you. Get ready to feel your best, because 2025 is your year. You don't need to train for a marathon right away. You don't even need to work out for a full hour. What matters most is finding a little bit of time each day to move your body. Even if it's just 10 minutes, those minutes add up. Think of it this way. 10 minutes of movement a day is over an hour by the end of the week. What could be better than that? And the best part is, you can do whatever feels good. Go for a walk, put on your favorite song and dance like no one's watching. Stretch while you watch TV. It doesn't matter what you do as long as you get moving. Trust me, your body will thank you for it. I know it sounds simple, but trust me on this one. Before you reach for that cup of coffee or tea, drink a big glass of water. After sleeping all night, your body is dehydrated and needs to be replenished. Drinking water first thing in the morning is like giving your body a big hug. It helps to wake you up, flushes out toxins, and gets your metabolism going. Plus, it's a great way to stay hydrated throughout the day. Keep a water bottle with you at all times and sip on it throughout the day. You'll be amazed at how much better you feel when you're properly hydrated. This is so important. If you hate running, don't force yourself to do it. There are so many other ways to get your workout in. Find something that you genuinely enjoy, something you look forward to doing. Maybe you love dancing, swimming, or hiking, or maybe you prefer something more low-key like yoga or Pilates. Whatever it is, make sure it's something you enjoy, because that's how you'll stick with it. And don't be afraid to try new things. You might be surprised at what you end up loving. Chapter 4. Set realistic goals. Don't go from 0 to 100 overnight. That's a recipe for burnout. Start with small, achievable goals that you can build on over time. Instead of saying you'll work out every day, aim for 2 to 3 times a week to start. Once you've consistently hit that goal, you can gradually increase it. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Chapter 5. Prep your workout clothes the night before. This is a game changer. How many times have you talked yourself out of working out because you didn't feel like finding your workout clothes? By laying out your clothes or packing your gym bag the night before, you're eliminating one less excuse. Plus, it's a great visual reminder to get your workout in. It's like giving your future self a little gift, the gift of motivation. Chapter 6. Walk whenever you can. Walking is such an underrated form of exercise. It's low impact, it's free, and you can do it anywhere. Make a conscious effort to walk more throughout your day. Park farther away from your destination. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, or schedule short walks throughout your day. All those steps add up. Chapter 7. Create a simple routine. Routines make everything easier, including fitness. When you have a set time and place for your workouts, it's more likely to happen. Try pairing a short workout with something you already do every day, like brushing your teeth or having your morning coffee. Or maybe try a relaxing stretch before bed. The more you can integrate fitness into your daily routine, the more sustainable it will be. Chapter 8. It's so motivating to see how far you've come. Tracking your progress helps you stay accountable and keeps you moving towards your goals. You can keep it super simple. Use a calendar to mark off the days you work out, or download a fitness app to track your steps and calories burned. Seeing those numbers go up can be incredibly motivating. Chapter 9. Having someone to share your fitness journey with can make all the difference. Find a friend, family member, or coworker who has similar goals and support each other. You can check in with each other regularly, share your progress, and offer words of encouragement. Knowing that someone is cheering you on can make all the difference. And if you're feeling really ambitious, you can even find a workout buddy to hit the gym with. Chapter 10. Every step you take towards a healthier, fitter you is a reason to celebrate. Don't wait until you've reached your ultimate goal to give yourself some credit. Did you work out twice this week when you normally only work out once? That's amazing. Celebrate that win. Did you choose a healthy meal over a less healthy option? That's a win too. Celebrating your small wins will help you stay motivated and on track. 2025 is your year to embrace simple, sustainable fitness habits that make you feel amazing. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about progress. And hey, we're in this together. I'm here to cheer you on every step of the way. You've got this. If you're looking for more tips and inspiration, be sure to check out the playlists on this channel for more fitness advice. Let's make this year your healthiest and happiest yet.